I just want to give a shout out to Brandon and everybody over there at Calvary for helping me sell my difficult self storage facility out in Lubbock. It was a hairy deal. There was a lot of hair on that thing. There was a fire, there was a break in, all this stuff had happened. And Brandon and his team took it on. They were able to get it sold. And I really appreciate all the work they did. They went the extra mile on it. So if you guys are thinking about selling your self-storage facility, I would highly recommend them. I've had a really good experience with them. You can email me or reach out to me on the phone if you want additional feedback or additional information. I'd be happy to talk. My number is 253-569-6237. So I highly recommend Brandon and his team out there at Calvary. They're a really good brokerage team for everybody out there in the storage world.